Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts here. I'm going to show you how to adjust the float level on a Rochester one-barrel monojet. It's fairly simple. I already have the top off, and you hold down the float right here so that the needle is seated, and measure in, come in about a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch from the tip of the float, and measure from the top of the float to the top of the float bowl. Now the measurement is the same whether it's a brass float or one of these black nitrofill floats. Set it to specification. Don't fudge just because you got a different gas or something. Just set it to specs. You'll be fine. I can't tell you what the spec is on this because it differs from every vehicle. You want to look at the specification sheet that comes in in the instructions sheet in the kit, or get it out of your motor's manual. And to adjust it now, if you need to adjust it, you take the float out and bend it right here, try to refrain from bend it like this. Use a couple of needle nose to bend just the metal. If you could break the seal right here if you bend it using the float itself. Now brass isn't a problem, just these nitrofills. Okay, the other thing is don't put any pressure on this needle when you're setting the float. You could damage the Viton tip. And just to illustrate again, another little view right here, you measure from the top of the float 1/16 of an inch in to the top of the float bowl, and that's your measurement, and then the gasket's off of it. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching.